A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany, and today's topic, Mini GT. As you can see, we got two cars from BMW. We got an M3 in Alpine white. This is the first generation M3. It came out in the early 80s, and we got this guy here, the BMW M4. This is the fifth generation that started in 2014, and that was the generation when they kind of split it up, the name. So there's an M3, that is the four-door limousine, and we got the M4. This is what you are seeing here, the two-door coupe, and there's also a convertible version that's also called M4. You can see these are older Mini GTs. You see that on the packaging. I got here another Mini GT BMW that I will show you for a comparison. And this is what the actual packaging looks like. You get the BMW M3 Alpina B6 3.5S in Alpina blue. So let's put this guy here in the background. And let's start with this one here, a quick look at the packaging if you are interested in these licensing stickers. Number 41. So this one is still in its plastic wrapping. Cut that open. So I'm quite excited because I got a lot of green light cars in the last time with a lot of quality issues, and normally these Mini GTs are perfect, and I hope these two are also in a typical Mini GT typical Mini GT condition. Normally they are perfect, as I said. So as you can see, normally these Mini GTs come in these cardboard boxes with this inner plastic piece that is protecting the cars very well. And the big advantage of these plastic pieces is you can store the car back in this plastic protection piece and put it back in the packaging when it's not on display. So let's take a look. First impression, very good. We got inserted headlights. Got a nice grille. And no, I think these fog lights are painted. Also the indicators are painted. Get the BMW badge on the hood. And look at these rims. I think these are really cool. And for sure, these are not the same rims like on the other BMW, on the Alpina version that I will show you right after this. So also inserted taillights. We got some details on the base that is secured with Phillips screws. For sure, we got rubber tires, metal body, metal base. What is a little bit unfortunate on these Mini GTs is that the base doesn't say anything about the model. That would be nice. A lot of other manufacturers are doing this. See, we got chrome exhaust tips, BMW M3 license plate, BMW badge. So I think this wing here is an extra piece, and I think it is made of plastic. Oh, this is a right-hand drive version. Normally they do both versions from a car, not on every car for sure. I don't know why I ordered the right-hand drive version, but to be honest, it's nothing I do care too much about. We got these heating wires on the rear window. So now let's take a look at the Alpina M3, which is also a very, very cool Mini GT. This was one of my first Mini GT cars, and I think this one is also fantastic. This blue paint job with this very, very detailed deco on the side. I hope you can see that. Really cool. So here they are. And as you can see, these are different rims. I think the rest of the casting is identical, but let's take a look. And you can see on the front there are some differences. Yeah, really, really cool. Let's put these two aside, and for sure these Mini GTs normally do roll, and they do roll very well. So, as expected, no disappointment from Mini GT. So let's go on with the second BMW, the M4, fifth generation, as I said, in Austin yellow metallic. So this guy here is the last M3 generation with, let's say, normal grille. The actual version is the one with the, let's say, controversial grille, the big one. There are a lot of discussions on social media. I'm not a big fan of this nose also, so I prefer this type of grille. So this car does look, the yellow does look much brighter than I thought. On the packaging it's a little bit dark. For exhausts we got inserted taillights, perfectly inserted. BMW M4 on the license plate. See, also for sure a metal base and some details on the exhaust. Nice rims, and you can see there's also the BMW badge in the center. We got this roof with a carbon fiber pattern. This guy here is left-hand drive. Nice interior, but no exceptional details, no paintings or anything. I think the mirrors are really cool. Well, to be honest, the front, I'm not so sure about the headlights. They look a bit, I don't know how you call that, blurred? I don't know. And not too detailed, so yeah. Anyway, the rest of this thing does look very cool. Nice color, nice quality. As I said, I think these headlights are not perfect in my opinion. But anyways, no real quality issues, what I think is very important. And as I'm always saying, normally these Mini GTs here in Germany, you get them for, let's say, 10 to 12 euros. I think it's around about 12 euros in average, and I think you get a lot of diecast for your money. Let's see if this guy is a roller. And for sure, it rolls. So, yeah, I think they have a really good quality management, what is important. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. I say thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, give me a thumbs up if you do like this video, watch another one if you like to. Happy hunting and see you next time.